training model is a lot like studying for an exam. So study too little, you are underprepared. If you study too much, you will memorize detail that does not, let's see, matter. So the same happens in machine learning, and that's why we use early stopping, which is early stopping. It's one method to prevent, or let's see to prevent the overfitting. And uh, this is, let's see, overfitting. And how does it work? So in the first step, we have to monitor, let's see, the low validation loss, checking the performance of unseparated, let's say, validation during the training. Next, we detect the plateau. So stop when validation loss stops improving for specific, let's say, of ebooks. So if you see for specific, let's say for 10 ebooks, you can see the condition. If the validation loss is not improved in this, let's say, 10 ebooks, stop. And also maybe if the validation if the loss is trying to let's see degrade, or let's see decrease, try to stop, because in this case it's already overfitting. And the next, finally, we restore the best weight, so rolling the model back to the point where it performed the best. And the benefits are, let's say, powerful. It's preventing overfitting, save resources, and instead of training 2 days, you need 2 hours, let's say. And also automatic model selection. So based on the loss function, you can save, let's say, for every 10 ebooks, you will save the best model. And also the one advantage or benefit is reducing the the time. And here's the key: early stopping is more than just efficient. It's like a regularizer. So helping balance the bias variance trade-off without making your model architecture more complex. In other words, early stopping it teach your model the same lesson we human often forget. Sometimes the smartest move is knowing when to quit. I think that's it for today. If you have any question, just drop it down in the comment below. Thanks for watching.